वाहेगुरु, हरे कृष्णा, वाहेगुरु जी, हरे राम. Come, let me share with you what is the purport, what is the substance, the gist of Mool Mantra. Mool Mantra. As we know, Sri Guru Granth Sahib starts with Mool Mantra. Japji Sahib starts with Mool Mantra. वाहेगुरु, एक ओंकार, सतनाम, कर्ता पुरुष, निर्भव निर्वैर, अकाल मूरत, अजूनी सैभं Guru Prasad. You know, it's the essence of all wisdom. Tells you that Om, or call it Omkar, because Om is very subtle. So subtle when it becomes gross, relatively gross, it takes a akar. So Om in its subtlest form is Om. Can't describe it, can't talk about it. But why to talk actually? Mind requires some talking, listening, understanding, knowledge, emotions. That is what mind is made up of. Mind will die if there is no talk. And it doesn't want to die. It doesn't want to die. So it keeps itself alive by thinking, listening, talking, understanding, seeking. All this is a way of mind wanting to stay alive. Then, mind is Maya. Maya. Maya means wanting to know, wanting to evaluate, wanting to see, wanting to experience. A want. That's Maya. So this is Mahamaya, mind. But God has also created Yog Maya. There are two forms of Maya. Yog Maya. Mahamaya keeps you entangled, enmeshed in a cobweb, in a chakra vyuha. And Yog Maya is, like whatever I'm telling you, is also knowledge. But this knowledge is cutting your knowledge. Diamond cuts diamond. So knowledge is cutting your knowledge so that you develop a want, another want. Wanting is Maya, but I want you to develop another want to get out of this chakra vyuha. By your own self, you can't. You can't. The end of Mula Mantra is Guru Prasad. By your own efforts, you can't. So some Nirankar has to take a Sakar roop to tell you, why don't you also get out? जिसके अंतर बसे निरंकार ताकि सीख तरे संसार. जिसके अंतर निरंकार का, ओमकार का दर्शन हो जाए, उसकी सीख, that means उसकी presence में, you also develop a need, a want to get out of the Chakravyuh. Abhimanyu cannot get out of Chakravyuh. He's the strongest man depicted in our history, but he cannot get out of Chakravyuh. So Upamanyu can. Upamanyu is another character in our history. Britishers have called it mythology. Well, because it was prehistoric, so they said it's mythology, and we started thinking it's imagination, but well, history. So Upamanyu is another character who sits at the feet of the, Upa means sits at the feet of Guru and says, Aap bhi bacha sakte. And he gets out. By surrender, surrender is the beginning of love. When it ripens, it's called love. In the beginning, it's surrender out of helplessness. Helplessness, I can't get out of the Chakravyuh. So you save me. And yes, can be saved. Guru Prasad, Guru can save you. So we were talking about Mula Mantra. What is the meaning of mantra? Mananat Tran iti mantra. जिसके बारे में, जिसको रिसाइट करते 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 आपका त्राण हो जाए. मननाथ, रिसाइट नहीं, deeper, deeper, deeper into it. So when you go deeper into it, it can take you out of the Chakravyuh. Chakravyuh is suffering. You're wanting to know this and that, and you've known quite a lot. But suffering carries on. कितना भी पढ़ लेते हो, कितना भी जान लेते हो, कितनी भी तीर्थ यात्रा कर लेते हो, मगर your suffering continues. Because you're still entangled, enmeshed in knowledge only. And knowledge is dry, you know. Knowledge is dry. It makes you dry. Even if I'm talking about knowledge, it's dry. Love is not knowledge. Love is beyond knowledge. Love doesn't want to know anything now. Love means it has reached. Love has reached. Love is not reaching. Love is reached. So, well, we are talking of knowledge so that knowledge can cut knowledge. Diamond can cut diamond alone. Nothing else can cut diamond. So, एक ओंकार सात नाम. जो ओम है वही आकार है, वही सच्चाई है, बाकी सब कुछ झूठ है. सब कुछ झूठ है. आपका आप होना झूठ है, मेरा मैं होना झूठ है. Everything is perishable. Whatever I am talking is also perishable. Whatever you are trying to understand is also perishable. ये सब झूठ है. और सच क्या है? रह कौन जाने वाला है? और जो है आज सच, जुगाद सच, है भी सच, होसी भी सच. What is the truth which is now also, which will be also, which was also? It is Omkar only. It is Om only. So various facets of Om, various faces of Om has been touched upon and described by Mool Mantra, in Mool Mantra, by Guru Sahib. I don't like to say Guru Nanak only. Any Guru. This happened to have come out of the hands or mouth of Guru Nanak Sahib, but Buddha would have also said the same. Sri Krishna would have also said the same. What is visible is perishable. What is experienceable is perishable. What is knowable is perishable. You, whom you think you are, is not the reality. The reality is hidden underneath it. That doesn't mean actually that you are an illusion, but what you think yourself to be is an illusion. You are not an illusion. You think yourselves, that thinking is an illusion. Because ये जग सच्चे की है कोठड़ी, सच्चे का विश्वास. Everything is truthful. It is filled by truth. Every one of us filled by Ikumkar. Om. So reality is Om, but the face of it, we think I am this man, that is an illusion. You think I am this man? No, that's illusion. Satya Sai Baba is that who lives in Puttaparthi? No, that's an illusion. Satya Sai Baba is whom we keep reciting. Mananat Trayanam iti mantra. We keep reciting the mantra Om Saishwarai Vidmahe Satya Devaya Dhimahe Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. We keep reciting it, but we need to do manan of it. What are we saying? We are saying, Satya Sai Baba, you are Om. You are Omkar. We are not saying you are a body with red robe, with curly hair. No. Lives in a place called Puttaparthi. No. We are saying Om Sai Ishwarai Vidmai. मेरे को पता चल चुका है कि तुम ओम हो. एंड मैंने ओम के ऊपर ध्यान लगाना शुरू कर दिया. ध्यान क्या होता है? जिसके ऊपर आप बैठ जाएं. धी में धरा. मेरा आधार तुम हो. तुम कौन? ओम. तुम ओमकार हो. मैं तुम्हारे ऊपर बैठ गया हूं. तुम्हारे पांव में बैठ गया. So, Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. And you keep inspiring me, motivating me every moment of existence. And I have become a part of you. I am you. I am no more this man. If I consider myself to be this man and this knowledge which I am imparting to you, then I am a fool. If I think I know something, then I know nothing. I am beyond knowledge. I am not knowledge. Knowledge is the job of intellect. बिखे बन फीक का त्याग नहीं सकिए नाम महारस पियो. जो कुछ भी तुम जानते हो ये फीका है. Knowledge will be tasteless. That is why on your faces is written tastelessness, neeras. But beyond knowledge is called love, bhakti, prem. That is beyond knowledge. जिसके अंदर प्रेम आ जाता है वो खिल जाता है. वो नॉलेज नहीं है. अब उसको क्या जानना है. उसको जो चाहिए था मिल गया. सो ध्रुव जिसके अराउंड पूरी सृष्टि घूम रही है. ध्रुव फादर्स नेम इज उत्तानपाद. जिसको उड़ता रहता है. राजा है, उड़ता रहता है. ही डजंट हैव एनी स्टेबिलिटी. उत्तानपाद राजा था. So he has, the story says, two wives, Suruchi and Suniti. Well, he has a son also called Dhruv. And Dhruv was once sitting on his lap and he embarrassingly is pushed away by the second mother who's not his own mother. Well, and he gets so broken hearted. He's a sensitive man, child, 5 years. So he confronts his mother that can't there be a place where I can never be moved from? Nobody can push me away from that form, from that place. So mother thinks about it. Her name is Suniti. She knows. She knows not that she's gone beyond knowledge, but she knows. So she says, that place, beta, is only God. So he says, then I will go and sit in his lap. So he goes and sits in the lap of God. From there, nothing can move from there. He gets his stable platform. निरंकार, जिसके मन बसे निरंकार, जाके अंतर, जिसके अंतर बसे निरंकार, वो निरंकार के साथ जुड़ जाता और वो ध्रुव हो जाता. उसके अराउंड पूरी सृष्टि बन रही. गैलेक्सीज आर रोमिंग अराउंड द पोल स्टार. It never moves. The sun moves, every star moves, but the pole star never moves. ध्रुव कभी नहीं हिलता. So, going back to मूल मंत्र, एक ओंकार, सतनाम, कर्ता पुरुष, वहां से ही, उसके कारण ही, उसकी वजह से ही, उसके द्वारा ही सारी सृष्टि बन रही है. आप भी उसी का ही रूप हैं. आपका मन, बुद्धि, अहंकार उसी से ही निकल रहे हैं. बस अजामिल हैं हम. एक स्टोरी है पुराणों में, अजामिल की स्टोरी. अजामिल का मतलब होता है जिसने जन्म लिया है ठीक रास्ते पे चलने के लिए. ठीक रास्ता क्या होता है? चक्रव्यूह से बाहर निकलने के लिए, मगर वो भूल गया है. अजामिल, जिसने योग के लिए जन्म लिया था. हम सब अजामिल ही हैं. हमने जन्म तो लिया है चक्रव्यूह से निकलने के लिए, मगर हम भूल चुके हैं. सो गुरु विल रिमाइंड यू कि आपने जन्म क्यों लिया है. आपने तो इस चक्रव्यूह से निकलने के लिए. चक्रव्यूह क्या होता है? ये नॉलेज, ये देखना, ये सुनना, इससे निकलने के लिए. वो कैसे निकल सकते हैं? तो प्रेम से ही निकल सकते. हरे कृष्णा. सो गुरु पे आपकी कृपा चाहिए. गुरु आप पे कृपा नहीं करता. गुरु तो होना ही उसकी कृपा है, मगर आपकी कृपा, योर लव फॉर हिम इज कॉल्ड प्रसाद. You will be purified. You will go beyond knowledge. When you go beyond knowledge, you've achieved everything. So, कृपा केवल आपकी चाहिए. कैसे? आप उसको याद कर लीजिए. सो अजामिल ने क्या किया? मर रहा था, यमराज आ गया लेने के लिए. तो उसके बेटे का नाम था नारायण. उसने नारायण को बुलाया कि यमराज आ गया है. तो नारायण तो आपके अंदर ही रहता है ना. नारायण का मतलब जो आपके अंदर रहता है, वो कभी नहीं छोड़ता आपको. एक ओंकार आपको कभी नहीं छोड़ता. निरंकार आपको कभी नहीं छोड़ता. वो सच है. वो अगर छोड़ देगा तो झूठ हो गया. वो कभी नहीं छोड़ता. Other day somebody sent me a little clip saying Osho says that God is an illusion. Very well. Jaggi Vasudev also talking about something similar. Because extract निकाल लेते हैं ना हम तो. Reference to the context नहीं निकालते. एक extract निकाल लेते हैं. वहाँ उसने बोला हुआ God is an illusion. If you believe in me, let me declare God is an illusion. I am a liar. How can I declare about the truth being a lie? How can a lie declare that a truth is a lie? If I say sky doesn't exist, that doesn't mean that sky will cease to exist. Anyone can say anything. We are all liars. We can say anything. Don't believe it so much. Omkar is within you. Nirankar is within you. ए जग सच्चे की है कोठड़ी, सच्चे का विश्वास. God is the only reality, but सच त्यायन सच, जो मर जम्मे सो कच्चन कच्च. सिर्फ सच ही देख सकता है सच को. ये माइंड, ये बॉडी, ये इंटेलेक्ट नहीं देख सकता सच को. सच को देखने के लिए आपको भी सच होना पड़ेगा. If you are the truth, you will see only truth. ये विश्व संसार तुम देख दे हरि का रूप है, then you will say God के सिवा और कुछ है ही नहीं. मगर जब तक आप झूठ हैं, तब सब कुछ झूठ ही लगेगा. गॉड भी झूठ लगेगा. सो इंटेलेक्चुअली मत समझने की कोशिश करिए. गो टू दैट स्टेट विच इज कॉल्ड लव. डेवलप दैट लव. सो एक ओंकार सतनाम कर्ता पुरुष, उसकी पर्सनैलिटी क्या है, उसकी फेसेट्स क्या है? निरपाव है, निर्वैर है। दिखता कैसे है? वो ही एक मूर्ति है, देखी जा सकती है, मगर प्रोवाइडेड आप माइंड ना रह जाएं, इंटेलेक्ट ना रह जाए, बॉडी ना रह जाए, ये बीएमआई ना देखते रहें। बॉडी माइंड इंटेलेक्ट के बियॉन्ड चले जाएं, तब आपको दर्शन हो जाएंगे। हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा। सो एक ओंकार सतनाम कर्ता पुरुष निरपव है, निर्वैर है, अकाल मूर्त है, अजूनी है, सैपांग है। अजूनी है, वो जन्म वन नहीं लेता, वो तो जन्मों से परे है। सैपांग है, वो किसी क्रचेस पे नहीं घूमता। ही डजंट वांट यू टू एक्नॉलेज हिम, ही इज ऑलरेडी देयर। यू मे एक्नॉलेज हिम और नॉट। इफ यू एक्नॉलेज हिम, you are blessed. But if you don't acknowledge him, he will still be there. You believe him or not believe him, it doesn't matter to him. He is self luminous. He doesn't require your recognition. He's there. But वो कैसे एक्सपीरियंस हो सकता है? गुरु प्रसाद। सो देखिए, एक ही मंत्र के अंदर सब कुछ लिख दिया गुरु नानक साहब। हरे राम, वाहिगुरु, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, वाहिगुरु, हरे राम।